When you are learning Mandarin, do you usually just memorize vocabulary like this? 咖啡, 喜欢, 学. However, when it's time to speak, you freeze. Because learning words doesn't automatically help you speak. Sentence starters do. So today, I'm going to teach you 8 powerful sentence starters in Mandarin that will help you express your thoughts, your opinions naturally. Let's get started. First, let's start simple. 我喜欢. 我 means I, 喜欢 like. 我喜欢 means I like. Let's look at this example. 我喜欢你. 你 means you. Together, it means I like you. 我喜欢看电影. 看 means to watch. 电影 means movies. 看电影 to watch movies. Brilliant. Now it's your turn. Try saying this sentence in Mandarin. I like learning Mandarin. Yes, exactly. 我喜欢学中文. 我喜欢学中文. Nice. You're already speaking in full sentences. Number 2, 我想. 想 means want to. 我想, I want to. 我想喝咖啡. 喝 means to drink. Cafe means coffee. Together, it means I want to drink coffee as a sense of I want coffee. Let's try another one. 我想去看电影. 去 means to go. 看 is to watch. 电影 movies. I want to go to see a movie. Excellent. One more. 我想学中文. 学 means to learn. 中文 Mandarin. I want to learn Mandarin. 我想学中文. Very good. Number 3. Now this one is important. 我要. 我要 can mean I'm going to or I want to. But here's the key difference. When you use 我要 to express I want to, it sounds much stronger than 我想. 我想 sounds more like I want to, I would like to, it's soft. Whereas 我要 sounds really determined. It can mean I'm going to. It feels that it's already planned, it's certain that you're going to do something. It can also mean I want to as the sense of I really want to. Let's look at some examples. 我要学中文. I'm going to learn Mandarin. So I use 要 to say I'm going to. 我要学中文. And it sounds like you've already decided. Another one. 我要去健身房运动. 去 means to go. 健身房 the gym. 运动 exercise. I'm going to the gym to exercise. 我要去健身房运动. Now here's something important to remember in Mandarin. When we are ordering food, we usually use 我要 rather than 我想. Because when you're ordering, you're not just thinking about it, you have already decided. So that's why we need to use 我要. It would sound clear that you have already decided and you want the order. You can say 我要一杯咖啡. 我要一杯咖啡. And don't forget to say 谢谢 at the end. 我要一杯咖啡，谢谢. Right, next one. 我觉得. 觉得 means to feel or to think. 我觉得 I think or I feel. 我觉得这家餐厅很好吃. 这家 means this. 餐厅 restaurant. 很好吃 delicious. 我觉得这家餐厅很好吃. I think this restaurant is delicious. Let's look at this one. 我觉得今天很热. 很热 means hot. I think it's hot today. Brilliant. Have you heard any of these sentence starters in a Chinese drama? Let me know in the comments. Number 5. 我知道. 知道 means to know. 我知道 I know. 我知道你很忙. 很忙 means busy. I know you're busy. 我知道你很忙. Another one. 我知道你不喜欢冬天. 不喜欢 means don't like. 冬天 winter. I know you don't like winter. 我知道你不喜欢冬天. Very nice. Now you can express more than just basic introductions, and that already makes you sound more fluent. Number 6, 我会. Now this one is very useful because 会 can mean two different things. It can mean I can or will. Let's look at this example. 我会说中文. 说 means to speak, 中文 Mandarin. It means I can speak Mandarin, but you're using 会 to tell people this is an ability that you know how to do. So it's more like I know how to speak Mandarin. 我会说中文. Another sentence, 我会游泳. 游泳 means swimming. So it means I know how to swim. 我会游泳. So these two sentences are about your learned abilities. Let's look at a different meaning of 会. It can also mean will. For example, 我明天会去. 明天 means tomorrow. 会 will. 去 to go. I'll go tomorrow. 我明天会去. It's the same word, but two different meanings. Well done, everyone. If you are still watching, we only have 2 left. Next, 我记得. 记得 means remember. 我记得 I remember. Let's look at the sentence. 我记得你喜欢喝咖啡. I remember you like coffee. 我记得你喜欢喝咖啡. Next one. 我记得这家餐厅. 这家 this 餐厅 restaurant. I remember this restaurant. 我记得这家餐厅. So they are all the vocabulary that we have already mentioned. And have you noticed something? That we didn't change the verbs, we didn't change anything, we didn't change the structure. We just combine the words that we know together. That's how Mandarin works. You've done very well so far. Here's the last one. 我发现. 发现 means to discover, to realize. 我发现. I discovered, I realized. Using this one makes you sound more advanced immediately. Let's look at 2 examples. 我发现中文不难. 中文 Mandarin. 不难 not difficult. I realized that Mandarin isn't difficult. 我发现中文不难. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. The second example is 我发现我喜欢学中文. Have you noticed something interesting? We can even combine 2 sentence starters together. I used 我发现 and 我喜欢 in one sentence. 我发现我喜欢学中文. I discovered that I like learning Mandarin. 你呢？你喜欢学中文吗？ Do you like learning Mandarin? Tell me in the comments. Now let's quickly go over all sentence starters again. 我喜欢, 我想, 我要, 我觉得, 我知道, 我会, 我记得, 我发现. With these 8 sentence starters, you can now express what you like, what you know, express your opinions, talk about your abilities and future, and also describe your memories and discoveries. This is real communication. So instead of memorizing random words, start building sentences by using the vocabulary that you've already learned. Why not try using them today? Write one sentence using one of the starters in the comments. I'll try my best to correct it. If you like more personalized guidance, I also teach Mandarin lessons online. You can find the link in the description. It'll be lovely to see some of you in my lessons. I'll see you next time. 下次见。